Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a game not opening after installation. FitGirl or DODI Repack. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the game icon on the desktop and select open file location, and then double click on the redist folder. Double click on the quick SFV and select the listed file and select open option, and this will scan for any missing or bad files found in your PC. And as you can see, I have one missing file and zero bad file. In your case, it may vary, depends on the game. This is the reason you are getting the problem. To fix this problem, you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Security, click on open it. Select virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Turn off the real-time protection and select yes. After turning off, just to minimize this page and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder. Navigate to the game folder where you saved. I saved in C drive. Here it's the game folder. After selecting the game folder, select folder option and the game has been added to this list. Go back and turn on the real-time protection and select yes. After turning on, you just need to go to home and select the virus and threat protection and select the protection history. And as you can see, thread quarantined, click on it and select yes. And the game file is listed in here. Select the action option and select the restore option and select yes. We have restored the missing file. Same thing for down here. You just need to click on it one by one, and if you see any game related file, then you just need to click on action and restore the files. After doing that, just to close stuff here and just to close stuff here again, double click on it and run the quick scan. And now as you can see, all files are okay. There is no missing or bad files found. Just to close stuff here, and now you can open the game without having any problem. And you will never face any game related problem guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.